Welcome back, guys. Today I'm gonna show you how to find and install a game called Emily Wants to Play. So first thing first, open App Store, click on that blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account. Then click on the search button right here. And in the search bar, typing Emily Wants to Play and go search. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the game. So click on that, then click Get, then Install, then confirm installation through Face ID or Touch ID, or using password from your Apple ID account. So now it's all done. The game is 319.8 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.